Hey guys.
Hey guys.
It's Cham. We're on the trail. So we're just checking in. It is day 4. Right?
4.
Day 4.
Technically day 4, but the 3rd day of hiking. Because yesterday we were at this awesome place called A-Ball Pines Campground, and it was amazing. And we were tired, so we stayed an extra day there. Why not?
Yeah. Well, it was raining too. We took a 0 day, and on recommendation from an old Thru hiker too, he said don't push yourself right at first like that, because we were hating. It was kind of like we got a cabin there, and it felt kind of like a Thru hiker, like a hospital, like a for us to recover in. So we're all recovered, and today we went for reals hike. How many miles did we do, Chad?
We did 11 today.
Yeah,
11.2.
We good.
Another 11.2 tomorrow. So
yeah.
We're 11% done with the 100-mile wilderness. For the nerd in me to come out.
Yeah. All right. Anything else to say about today?
No, it was fun.
Okay. It's our pal Corinne. She's our... Hi. She's part of our family. All right. Well, we'll see you guys tomorrow.